Today, I'll show you how to add Microsoft Bookings to your email signature so people can easily schedule time with you right from every message you send. By the end of this walkthrough, your Outlook signature will automatically include a link to your bookings page, and you won't need to paste it in manually ever again. First, make sure you're using Outlook on the web or the new Outlook for Windows. This process is the same in both, and it relies on the built-in settings for your mailbox. Go ahead and open Outlook in your browser or launch the new Outlook app on your computer and sign into the account where you want to add the bookings link. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the settings pane. You'll see a list of quick options, but for what we need, we're going to dive into the full mail settings. In the settings pane, find and select the option that takes you to all Outlook settings. Depending on your version, this might be labeled something like View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of the pane. Click that, and a new window or panel will open with different categories on the left-hand side. From here, make sure you're in the Mail section, then choose Compose and Reply. This is where Outlook keeps all the options that affect how your messages look and behave when you write and send them. Give the page a moment to load because it can sometimes take a second. Once you're on the Compose and Reply page, you'll see an area labeled Email Signature. This is where your existing signature is stored and where you can adjust its text, links, and formatting. If you already have a signature, you should see it in the text box. If you don't have one yet, you can type a simple one now, including your name, role, and any other details you usually include. Now look just below or near that signature box for a specific option that mentions Microsoft Bookings. You're looking for a checkbox that says something like include a link to my bookings page in my signature. This setting tells Outlook to automatically add your Microsoft Bookings link to the signature you've configured. Go ahead and check that box. If you already have a bookings page set up for your account, Outlook will connect it automatically. If not, your organization may need to enable or configure Microsoft Bookings before this option is useful. In most business or school environments where Bookings is available, this will work right away. After checking the box, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the settings window and click it. This step is essential. If you close the window without saving, the bookings link won't be added to your signature. Once you've saved, you can test it. Go back to your inbox, start a new email, and look at the signature that appears at the bottom of the message. You should now see a link to your bookings page included, along with your usual signature details. Anyone who receives your email will be able to click that link and choose a time that works without any back and forth scheduling. That's all you need to do to add Microsoft Bookings to your email signature in Outlook.